1 cup milk. Summit, Madam Summit. 1 cup Summit.
Yes.
Okay, Madam. Thank you, Madam. Ha, you teach me how
Yes.
to make flavor
Half
carrots.
cup.
Half cup sugar.
Yes.
1 cup milk powder.
Yes.
1 cup Summit.
Yes.
1/2 cup sugar.
And baking powder.
And baking powder. How much I put, Madam? Baking powder. Baking powder 1 teaspoon.
Bicarbonate sodium.
Sodium carbonate.
It's half
1/2
spoon.
spoon.
Kalas.
And then what else pa, Madam? All together.
So you take this one. Basbousa.
Basbousa, carrots, flavor carrots. Wow, Madam. Thank you so much, Madam. You teach me how to make
Maganda.
basbousa carrots.
Inshallah, I will try today.
Inshallah, good.
Dina, before she tried.
Nice.
Good, Dina.
Good.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Give Allah. Thank you, Madam.
Okay.
So, Madam, you
some
3rd cup water. This one.
yes.
3rd cup.
3rd cup. Bismillah.
Bismillah.
Right now, so
Wow. Shukran, Madam. You teach me how to make basbousa
and
flavor carrots. And what else, Madam?
small.
Gingerbread.
Yes.
Yes,
Like
Madam.
this
Yes.
gingerbread and girfa if you want cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Yes,
Just
cinnamon.
little. Sah,
Yes.
Madam.
Very little.
Thank you all, my Madam. Too much very good, my Madam, because all my Madam teach me how to make hala.
خلاص خلينا نشوف الحين خليط.
Kalas, Madam.
If like this خلاص. This one is
Okay. To mix all together.
This one it's okay to be in oven.
Yes. Hey, the down. Good, Madam.